Hi everyone, it's Mike here with Golden View Renovation. I want to invite you to listen to my client's testimonial here in San Carlos City. We've had multiple renovations here, but today we're focusing in the master bathroom. So please come with me as we hear what he had to say.
I did the guest bathroom and then the entire flooring of the house. And then now the master bathroom. I choose to do it piecemeal by piecemeal rather than the whole thing. I think it's easier for me to bite on, and they all come out very good. Now 3 years, still have them here. My project manager, he's actually very great, he's very attentive. He responds very well, and whatever you say, he mark it down, he take notes. He take video, he pretty much stay on top of everything. We use all kind of communications protocol. Video call, conference call all the time when we need it. WhatsApp group that kind of keep us up to date about what's going on here. They address my question and my needs very quickly. Here's my stamp of approval. Sal is our designer and she's very good. She did all the original design. She also listened to my idea and how to put everything together. Very beautiful renovated bathroom. Before we renovation, it was so old and just don't want to spend time in taking a shower doing things. And this one, new bathtub, we use it. Very nice. We love it. Should be recommended to all other people.
Now that you heard my client's testimonial regarding their project, if you're interested on what your project might look like and what the process will be, please don't hesitate to give us a call. I am Mike with the Golden View team. Thank you.